got this big old box from the shipping manager from FabFitFun. All right, excited. I've got a mystery box in here from FabFitFun. So if you want to see, like I do, I'm dying to get into this, what's in this mystery box, then stay tuned. Hi, and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe's taking a nap, but I'm going to be waking her up for a snack box unboxing soon. And Bandit's hanging out with my mom because it's supper time. And if you're new, welcome. And thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So I had ordered this, I don't know, this like mystery bundle. I think it was like an $80 mystery bundle from FabFitFun. I'm like, let's see how it is. Either I took one for you guys, or I got some great stuff out of it. Who knows? We'll see. And it came in like this box. Usually FabFitFun boxes have like this tape that says pick the best stuff, blah blah blah. This had like almost nothing. As you saw when I was reading it, I'm like, shipping manager from FabFitFun. Okay, so I knew then that this was my mystery bundle. It was quite a few edits ago. It takes a while to get your stuff from FabFitFun, except for when it should be getting close to spoiler time. When it's time for your seasonal box, you can get expedited shipping for $15, which I do so I can get it to you guys hopefully before that second wave gets to do their choices, so that you can kind of get an eye on some of the products and decide are these products that you would like. Alright, I have to move the box behind me because it's so big. There are a couple of things that I ordered, but not much other than what's in the mystery bundle. So I did order another Kopari Brightest Day Sheer Mineral Sunscreen SPF 50, and this was in the summer box, and I have been using this every day and absolutely love it. It's got a light tint to it that I think would match most skin tones. It might look too light or look too dark when you put it on, but it just melts in. It just kind of gives an even out, so not really a lot of color, more like an evenness to your skin. And so I have really been enjoying this to the point where I picked up another one on the sale. And this should be fine for next year, as long as I don't open it. It's got vitamin C and niacinamide in it. And like I say, I really enjoy it. It expires, February of 2027. So I can definitely pull this out next spring. And I mean, it's going to get you through from spring to early fall, I would say. And easily using it every day. So highly recommend this. If you have FabFitFun and you catch this in their sale, I would recommend to grab it. I do put it on before I put on my Jones Road moisturizer, which has a little bit more tint in it than this does. Not a ton, but just a little bit more for evenness. But if I'm just going out to the pool or something, this is it. This is what I put on. Alright, and then I think that I snagged this as well, which is just a little Hello Kitty Fresh Spot headband. Could be wrong, but it's got the little bow there. You know who that's for. And that might have been a set that came with these two plush blenders that I just thought were so cute. Now the boxes are both kind of messed up, and this came with it too. This is the Creme Shop Hello Kitty Fiber Mascara. And there is what the one is going to look like. Pretty sure that's all the stuff I picked. Alright, so what was in this bundle? Let's see. Oh no, wait a minute. Let me line. I might have picked out this too. I'll let you know for sure they're up there. This is the Lolia Relax Scent perfume. It smells very nice. Alright, let's go through what I'm reasonably certain, because I don't recall choosing any of these things from that $80 bundle. So first, by Spongel, we have a Sweet Orchid body wash. It is shaped like a heart. I can already smell it. a little too perfumey for me. I'm going to set that aside for someone else. I've got some birthdays coming up. It's not bad, it's just a little too, I like more fruity scents than floral scents. Alright, we have some jewelry. CZ by Kenneth Lane. This looks pretty. It is a silver tone, and it has this little emerald colored teardrop. Very pretty. I can definitely see myself. I'm going to get used out of that. Okay. And these are typically like $80 or more, so this could be the entire price of my box. The sponge gels usually run about $14, $18. Alright, next we have something that is black and white and polka dotted. Don't know. Looks kind of Kate Spade-ish. Oh, Kate Spade. This is the Black Spade Dot Pencil Pouch. And it has pencil sharpener, plastic ruler, eraser, and 2 pencils. The eraser says Kate Spade on it, and on the back it says, "The air is human." We have the little, it's a plastic with some gold lettering on there. It's kind of hard for you guys to see. And it does have the little spades on there. So this is nice. It's not incredibly useful for me. I just, don't have use of carrying around a little pencil bag, but certainly would be useful for somebody, going back to school, high school, if they're bougie, gotta have a Kate Spade, I don't know. But it's a very nice item. Alright, so this is the Summer Rose Jewelry Stand, and I feel like I had this in my cart, but I took it out. So if that's the case, I'm very glad I took it out because here it is. But if not, I'll let you know up there. Because I remember thinking, well, that's nice and I could use it, but so there is how it looks. I really like this on there. Like I said though, I'm pretty sure I took this out of my cart. So if I did, I'm really excited because I definitely was going to order it. See, if I had realized this was my FabFitFun order beforehand, because it's been so long. Next, by Lujo Bar, we have 4 peppermint shower steamers. How do you guys feel about these? I feel like I don't really smell them in the shower. And I've tried all different types, not just this brand, but definitely this brand, because I did get these in a FabFitFun box in the past. But I feel like I can't really smell them. I mean, I can smell them here and now, but I feel like when I put them in the shower, nothing. 0. By Kristen S., we have a Frizz Management Cleansing Co-Wash. So I don't typically use co-washes. If I'm going to wash my hair, I'm going to wash my hair. Only kind that I actually liked was by Wen. That actually worked really well for me. But I've used other co-washes and they have not. But my husband uses this kind of stuff. So, I don't know, maybe I'll pass it on to him, although he doesn't have frizzy hair. I believe this was just a little freebie. We've got some more jewelry. This is more Kenneth Lane jewelry. And this was these ugly earrings. Oh, I don't like ugly earrings. I don't know if I'm getting them on. I think my ears are too, my piercings are too high up. Beautiful though. How pretty those are. Can you see? Yeah, so pretty. but I feel like my ears are pierced too high up to be able to wear these types of earrings, because the type we got, and I chose them in my last box. I didn't read the description, I didn't realize they were ugly earrings. I had a real hard time getting on it from the summer box. And then last by Hanky Panky are, I think they're packing cubes, right? Pretty sure. Now we actually love packing cubes. I don't travel, because I don't want to, but another stuff I'm spending my money on, like home renovations. But my daughter when she goes to camp, and my husband when he goes to visit his family in Michigan, you can get so much stuff in these little things. So we have a small, a medium, and a large, and I just like packing the clothes in there, and then it kind of makes it, you know, easy to find like what you need, and then you can repack them in here. You can repack the dirty stuff in here, so that you know when you come home what's dirty, or you can repack clean stuff in one of them and you know everything else is dirty. But it's just a great way to organize your suitcase and know where everything is immediately when you pull it out. You know, if you like to do the little one for underwear, bras, things like that, or if we have two little ones, we use one for swimsuits. So I'm really excited about these actually. I'm glad I got these. All right, well, that is my mystery bundle, and let me see, 1, 2, 6, 7. Wait, there's more stuff in here. I missed. Okay. We have by R & Co. the Back Bend Workable Hold Non-Aerosol Hairspray. Alright, I'm in need of some new hairspray. I have some hairspray that I really like, but it is also a very gentle hold. And oh, excited! The Spongel Honey Blossom Hand Cream. Yes. Oh, yes. I love this one. Okay. So, that being said, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 9 items plus the jewelry thing. I may order the jewelry thing. You'll already know, because I'll put it up there. But, well, I took it. But I think it was 9 items in here. Was it worth it? I mean, I definitely got my value back. But could I have lived without these items? Yes, I could have. No strong desire for any of them. The necklace is pretty, the earrings are gorgeous, but I can't wear huggies. No use for the Kate Spade pencil thing. The shower steamers, I never seem to smell. The Spongel, a little too floral for me. Hairspray is nice, I'll need it. Hand cream is nice, but I mean I have tons. The co-wash I won't use, but again, somebody else will. Oh, a little in there. That's how you open it. That you have to unscrew it. Packing cubes though, I'm really excited about those. Oddly enough, that's what I'm most excited about. The value's there. I just don't know that they hit the mark for my preferences. Maybe for others, just not for my preferences. But let me know your thoughts. Would you have found value in the packing cubes again, co-wash, flexible hold hairspray by R & Co, Honey Bloom, Honey Blossom, hand cream from Spongel, the Huggy earrings, the emerald colored teardrop earring necklace, the pencil pouch from Kate Spade, the shower steamers, and the Spongel. So let me know, would you have thought that that was a good value for you? Alright, well, that's all I have for now. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.